All right, so before we go any further into this video, let's just address the elephant question in the room. Did this DB method grow my glutes or not? Hey guys, welcome back to another As Seen by SB video where I let you know whether a product's worth the investment or not. And today I'm doing my 6-month review on my beloved DB method. Now you clicked onto this video because you're on the fence as to whether or not to purchase the DB method, and you almost purchased it, but something brought you to this video first. So if you stay tuned, I'm going to show you my personal results to help you make a more educated decision as to whether or not the DB method is right for you. I'm also going to show you and discuss my 4 favorite go-to workouts that I use using the DB method that has really helped to tone my body. But first, let's make sure you subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on any new products that I may review that may be of interest to you. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. And if you find this video helpful to you, I would totally appreciate a thumbs up. Be sure to check the description box below as I provide some key information about this product and some just helpful tips overall. But for now, let's continue on to the review. All right, so before we go any further into this video, let's just address the elephant question in the room. Did this DB method grow my glutes or not?
Yeah, so it's going to be a no. This particular before and after picture was after a recent month of doing squats and participating in a squat challenge. But disclaimer, I wasn't doing the same amount of squats every day. And of course, everybody's results are different. So there are other people who got some amazing results, but my glutes just happen to be stubborn.
Now, in my 6-month period, I did do 2 separate squat challenges just to test the whole DB method, booty growth theory. And unfortunately, both times my results were just underwhelming. So now you're probably wondering, is the DB method even still worth it? And for me, the answer is still yes, and I'm going to show you why. All right, so as I mentioned in the beginning, I'm just going to quickly show you 4 of my favorite go-to workouts using this DB method that has really given me some amazing results. Now, if you haven't already, I previously did a in-depth workout video using the DB method where I gave a little bit more details about this machine, and I also did 8 full workouts. So you can check that out after you watch this video. Now, the first exercise I'm going to do is called the squat mixer, and doing that, I love using resistance bands, and I have 2. I have one that I bought off Amazon, and then I also did buy their DB Method Dream Band, but either works just fine. All right, so for this exercise, all you do is you do 10 full squats like this, and after you do 10 full squats, you then do 10 burst squats. And then you do 9 full squats. And then you do 9 burst squats. And then you just keep counting down until you get down to 1. And then by the end of this little exercise, you would have completed 110 squats. And it's a very quick, easy, and effective leg workout to do. And just to give you an idea of how I have my seat position, I'm 5'7", and I have it pushed in so that only one hole is showing underneath this bar.
Now, although I didn't get the glute results that I wanted, I did see a difference in my thighs here, and this was taken over the summertime.
Keep those arms straight.
I even got my dad in on the action to do a few reps, and the modified squat really makes it easier on your knees.
Now, what I really love about this machine is how versatile it is, and it does a really great job in toning your arms. So what I normally do is 3 sets of 15 press downs, and you can work out your biceps and your triceps based on how you position your hands. Now, the way I have it positioned now, I'm working my biceps. If I put my hands inward, I'm working my triceps. So just to give you a better angle there. And the good thing about it is this bar, the tension bar, has a resistance of 220 pounds. So you can really get a great workout with your arms. Now, lastly, this thing does an amazing job with your abs. So normally I just do a flat set of 80. So I would just do 80 of these. And what you do is you're just pressing it down like this. And each time you press down, you want to thrust your hips forward. And what this does is each time you're thrusting your hips forward, your abs are just naturally squeezing. So you really feel it in the middle portion of your abs and your lower abs. And just to show you a side view, this is honestly such an easy workout, but you will really feel it after you've done your set of 80. So let me know if you guys have any questions about the DB method. If you have one, what your experience has been. I would love to hear about it. And if you're interested in learning about more home workout equipment that I use that helps me to get in shape, be sure to check out my workout playlist that I've attached. But as always, thank you guys for watching. And again, if this video was helpful to you, I would definitely appreciate a thumbs up. And again, if you enjoy the content of this channel where I let you know whether a product's worth the investment or not, the DB method is still SB approved. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next time, stay fit and be safe.